So, you just got married, you're getting ready to file the green card case, but you are quite unsure when you should change your last name. In today's video, we're going to talk about different options you have when it comes to changing your name during the entire immigration process. Hi guys, my name is Ksenia. I make videos for people who are going through the family immigration process. I'm not an attorney. My videos are based on public information, my own experience, and the experience of my subscribers. And the purpose of my channel is to give you guys the confidence to go through this process completely on your own. There are three main avenues you can take when it comes to changing your last name during the entire green card process, and we're going to talk about it today. But before I jump into this video, I want you to know that it is not a requirement for you to change your last name to your spouse's last name for your marriage-based green card. Although it is a great piece of bona fide marital evidence for your marriage green card case, it is absolutely not a requirement by immigration, and you are welcome to keep your maiden name. After all, there are additional types of evidence that you can provide that are rather strong pieces of evidence that can support your marriage green card case. So the first option available for you is to actually begin using your new married name in all your green card applications. If you get married inside the United States and in your state, it doesn't allow you to change your maiden name to a married name in your marriage certificate. Even in this case, you're still allowed to begin using your married name in all the applications, even if you haven't yet changed it in your passport or any other documents. If your foreign national spouse is currently located overseas and you're going to do consular process, it is not advisable to begin using their married name unless your foreign national spouse actually changed it in their foreign passport before you start the entire immigration process, before you even begin filing the I-130 petition. The reason for that is by the time you get to the consular process stage, where you have to begin to fill out the DS-260 application, you want to make sure that your name is written exactly as it appears in your foreign passport, which you will then use for entry to the United States. One perk of being able to change your name directly in the green card applications is that it is completely free. There is no additional fees you have to pay in order to begin using your new married last name. There is an additional question that I sometimes get in this stage of the process, and that is if the foreign national spouse is allowed to change their middle name by putting their maiden name in the middle name section or even changing their first name. And when it comes to your maiden name being put as part of your middle name, USCIS may allow you to do so. However, when it comes to changing your first name, then USCIS will most likely request evidence from you showing that you also changed your first name. The second option is to keep your maiden name during the green card application process and then going through the court system in the state where you reside to change your name officially, then obtaining a legal name change document, the certificate granted to you by your local court, and then submitting the I-90 application to request the change of name on your green card. The drawback of this process is that it is not only lengthy and also expensive. So in order to change your name with your state, you will have to pay a fee to the court that will process your legal name change. And then in addition to that, when filing the I-90 application to update the information on your green card, you will also have to pay the I-90 application fee. If you are a conditional resident who will be submitting the I-751 application when the time comes for you to apply for a permanent 10-year green card, you may be able to begin writing your new married name in the I-751 application. The third option, which is another popular option among applicants, is to wait until your naturalization application to request a name change. During the time that you fill out your N-400 application, USCIS will ask you if you would like to change your name, and they will ask you to spell out exactly what you want your new name to be. And during this process, you can actually not only change your last name, but also middle as well as your first name. And if you don't do this during the actual N400 application, you can still request a name change during your naturalization interview with the USCIS officer, as they will once again confirm with you that you would like to change your name. The benefit of doing it this way is that it is also free. Aside from paying for the actual naturalization application, you do not have to pay any additional fees for the name change. But the drawback of this method is that it will most definitely delay your naturalization process. And the other drawback is that your naturalization ceremony will then occur in a local court where the judge will confirm your name change as well as naturalize you into a US citizen. And the final 2 points I want to make about name change. Number one, you cannot perform a name change or name adjustment during the biometrics appointment. That is something that you have to do separately by submitting an electronic service request with USCIS, and in some cases also sending them a physical mail to request that they change or adjust or correct your name. And finally, if you change your name on your immigration documents from within the United States and they're still not updated in your passport, when you make travel arrangements, when booking the tickets, just make sure that you do that in the name that is listed in your passport. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye!